Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log into Academies Australia as a student. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, and then in the search bar simply type in Academies Login. And that is Academies Login, and then hit go or enter on your keyboard. Tap on the first link at the top of the screen. You must tap on student login, and then for now we're going to be tapping on Sydney login. If you have a mobile browser, you may have to zoom in and then enter your username and password and then hit login now. if you're logging in for the first time, you must tap on reset password here, zoom in one more time, and then enter your login ID number along with your date of birth, and then hit reset user password and follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password and then log into your account. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.